Hi, welcome to my unboxing video of the Geekom A5 2025 edition mini PC. At IT Ecosystems, we're always looking for a better way to help the environment, which is why we came across Geekom. Geekom has been in the mini computer industry for over 20 years, and they pride themselves on being environmental and green computing. So ideally, it's almost like getting the power of a whole major big PC whilst only having the power of a light bulb. Let's get to the unboxing. Firstly, let's have a look at the box. As it's an A5, no major wow factors on the box. Very nice and neat. And let's have a look when we look inside. Take off the lid, and there we have it. Here's your mini PC, nice and small. And then under that, we'll open it up. We get their thank you card. We have their instructions. And what do we have inside here as well? The power cord for the region that you have. The HDMI cable. The power supply. Now this is one thing I really like, what I've seen here. I've seen mini PCs before, and the power, this power adapter is actually like 5 times bigger than this thing, which kind of defeats the whole purpose of having something small and neat. And the last thing that's inside the box here is a Visa mount, which is great if you really want to save space, either mount to the desk or mount to the back of the actual monitor. So let's get to the actual thing, the mini PC itself. So let's have a look at the thing itself. As you can see, it's just basically a NUC. So let's have a look around it. So we look at the front, and you can see that there's the power, audio jack, and 2 USB ports we can use for keyboards and etc. that you have. Let's have a look on the one side, SD card reader, and here we go, all the major ports that you'll ever need that you have. You have the DC input for the power, you have 2 HDMI ports, 2 USB-C ports, a USB-A 3 port, and a normal USB port, and a 2.5 gigabit network card, which is really good for the size, especially with these days that everyone's upgrading the networks from 1 gig to 2 gig, and a Kingston lock if you really want to secure things. So as you can see, a very nice neat package. So let's talk more about this model. Okay, so this model in particular is an AMD Ryzen 5 7430U processor on it, and it has an integrated Radeon Vega 8 graphics card. It has 16 gig of RAM, 512 gig SSD. So you can see it's not a supercomputer. It's really good for emails, web browsing, and it's supposed to be able to handle, with the integrated graphics card, Photoshop, video editing, and things like that. So it's a very good home PC or office PC replacement. Now, the one thing that we like about these ones with Geekom, the best thing that comes with it is actually Windows 11 Pro, not your Windows 11 Home like most NUCs, as well as it comes with a 3-year warranty. Most NUCs only come with a 1-year warranty. So for businesses, or if you really want the peace of mind, the 3 years definitely makes a big difference. So there you have it. This is the unboxing video of the Geekom A5 2025 edition. Please let us know if you are considering upgrading to a mini PC. Also, if you actually have a Geekom, please leave a comment below, and we'd love to hear your experience on that. So remember, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe to get the latest videos, and see you in the next video. Thank you.